Don't say it. I don't like that.
Yeah. Why you don't like that?
I don't know. I just don't like that. It look like a girly design.
It's like chain.
I know. It's like beaded chains going down, but that beaded chains ain't.
I wear this with my black pants.
But what shoes you gonna wear?
I don't know. Or I could get the Aeropostale.
Aeropostale, dog, not Aeropostale.
No, don't try to correct me.
I corrected you.
We're cracking me. What?
I corrected you.
Aeropostale. What y'all think? What about this?
Who's y'all? We ain't not fucking. What you call it?
This gray shirt.
It's okay.
Yeah.
What's this one? What about this?
Black Excellent. I don't really fuck with Echo.
You don't.
Black Excellent.
You probably like this. I can't read it. Faith, not fair. Faith ends where faith begins. That is true. You like stuff like that.
Yeah. I grab that message.
I can't reach up there, dog.
Sure ass. I don't like
What about this? Black Excellent is your shirt.
I just saw one like that.
I don't like that Jordan one, though.
Fake ass. Adidas. Well, I can wear with this.
Black jeans. And you got like a beige shirt to go underneath it. You could wash your beige shirt and put it up under. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, you could. I ain't saying you gotta. Then was it free?
They just plain. But
That's what I'm gonna go look at. We gonna go look at women's too. I'm gonna see what they got here. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, but I don't see no price tag on that bitch.
It ain't a price tag on a couple things I ain't seen now.
Oh, I see it.
What is it?
200.
Hell no. Hey, Lord, look. I got my feet done. Look. Them feet look sexy, y'all. Wait till you put that shit online. They gonna be like, her feet cute.
Where?
He jealous because he ain't got no pretty feet. If you ask him to see his feet, he gonna die. Oh, look at the back of it. That bitch look cold. Look. Open it up. Yeah, hold it up. It say, faith not fair. Fair ends where faith begins. That shit nice.
Should I cut this, y'all? Write down below in the comment.
How? When we're not even on live.
You don't understand.
Oh, yeah. I get what you're saying. Once you upload it, they can give you the input. What time was that one? Well, that one ain't bad, right?
I don't know. I'll just hold on to it and see how I make a decision. Okay, West Coast. Something plain simple. What y'all think about this?
Let's see.
Lost.
West Coast, Los Angeles, California.
Something simple. Not doing too much.
That ain't bad. Go with your black jeans.
Yeah. I hold on to it. Echo. This. That's not bad.
No, it ain't, because, you know, I think what it is that gray making it look all right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But if that gray wasn't in there.
What y'all think, y'all?
What y'all think of Echo? Okay, out of Echo, and then the Faith one. What y'all think of them two?
I'll hold on to it. Make a
Cause
decision.
ain't the other one say Faith, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Los Angeles. Cream, I feel like this could get dirty fast. Let's check on this black ass one. I think people might think. And I'm trying to be to put local. What that?
It's like creative department, $14.99.
Try that.
I can't. You keep talking about grab shit, and I can't even reach. He talking about grab that shit, and look, my hand go right here.
Let's see. Self-made center. I like that.
He over here in front of
What
about
y'all
30
think?
different, his arm in the way. He talking about what y'all think. Self-made center.
We're looking on the back.
Okay. Say bad decisions make great memories. That's true. And look, they even got one in the Centers Club green.
Oh, that shit dope too.
Look, I just seen that shit out of nowhere. Dog, you about to have a whole cart full of your Born to hustle, made to sin.
Yeah. I'm grabbing this bitch.
Because I'm thinking if you're going to get something like that, right? You don't want to wear that hoodie you got on. What other color hoodies you got at home?
Black. This.
All black one?
Not all black.
Oh, that one you always wear the pullover one. Now that one might be okay if you need a hoodie.
Let's check on this.
All right. We at Burlington, as y'all can see.
Shop on budget.
Yeah, he a budget, all right. He on clearance. No, I'm just playing.
Shit, I wish.
They don't got clearance for real here. They think what they got, like 5 pair of pants?
So I wish it was clearing like back in the day. Hotness had hit City Trend.
Yeah, he back in the day when City Trends probably about 12 years ago, 10, 12 years ago. He could go in that mug and get about, and he also was a different size at the time too, but he could go in there and buy 5 pair and spend $20 of pants. And he coming out like, damn, I got a whole new wardrobe. He can go in there and get $100 and buy.
What about the little?
No.
You know what I'm saying?
I like little, but I don't think a guy should wear him.
I think that's so tough.
All right, if you think it's tough, he's tough.
What about this, y'all?
Oh, Lord. He talking about, what about this? Hold him.
Essential.
Hey, when we get in your car, I gotta put my phone on the charger for a little bit.
This fake actual religion.
You know how that should be.
Essential.
That's not your toy, that's a baby toy. Leave
That's it dirty. That's it fuck up. That's it got ink on it.
That shit got something on
And
it.
they got to learn to have that shit for $14.99.
They tripping. It's for all the little people over here, look.
All black shirt.
Yeah, but you don't want just a plain old. Kenneth Cole. Oh, there you go right there. Kenneth Cole, because you got Kenneth Cole pants.
Yeah, I do.
That shit would be dope. You sure do got Kenneth Cole shirt. I think it was Kenneth Cole.
I do. The black pants I bought.
Okay.
That's 2X.
Might want to try it on. It look kind of small.
But this. And now we get into like that's Spider-Man. Not bad. That's Spider-Man. Not bad.
Okay. I like that one. That's kind of different.
Yeah. Then look at it.
I'm trying to take this
Friday.
damn job back, but I can't do two.
Friday 13.
Uh-huh. Then they got another Friday. Oh, it's the same one. Oh, it's
No,
not.
different.
Uh-huh.
And this.
Off-brand something.
I don't know, but we're gonna
run you back in a little bit. We're gonna see what we can find and try some stuff on. We'll run back.